Some scientific discoveries became tainted in popular perception by connection with disasters and scandals such as nuclear power. Yet this could save many lives today if used in right controlled circumstances and avoiding the mistakes of the past. Nuclear power should not be absolutely banned.
The growth of scientific knowledge has generally made the world a better place, but despite the advancements in medicine, food production, and all the positives science has brought, it has also brought misery. The discovery of nuclear energy has not only claimed the lives of hundreds of thousands of individuals, there have been a number of events which have caused the public's perception of nuclear power to be negative, the worst case being 1945 when 2 atomic bombs were dropped on Hiroshima and Nagasaki. The weapons completely obliterated the cities. An estimated 214,000 civilians and army personnel dying as a result of the blast.
Radiations are responsible for most of the birth defects that are taking place in today's era. The exposure of a fetus to radiation is referred to as prenatal radiation exposure. Also, a pregnant woman who accidentally swallows or breathes in radioactive materials may absorb that substance in her bloodstream. From the mother's blood, radioactive materials may pass through the umbilical cord to the baby or concentrate in areas of the mother's body near the womb and expose the fetus to radiation. Radiation exposure before birth can increase a person's risk of getting cancer later in life. During the first 2 weeks of pregnancy, the radiation-related health effects of greatest concern is the death of the baby.
Ethics moderates science. This can be identified through regulations and policies, such as the National Policy Statement for Nuclear Power Generation. The issues of nuclear power addressed earlier are specifically related to Section 3.12 nuclear impact, human health and well-being. This policy has been put into place to prevent disasters and scandals which have occurred previously and have the benefits of nuclear power. A quote from Cabot demonstrates this. Media can portray both positive and negative views on nuclear power. This article used a negative view, but media reports are inconsistent. The Soviet Union did not publish the intensity of the problem. However, this journal article demonstrates that nuclear power can save lives if switched from fossil fuels, as fossil fuels result in health damage and deaths caused by air pollution. Also, 7 million lives in the next 4 decades could be saved. Thus, it's clear we should use nuclear power. There are health benefits from radiation. This includes radiation therapy. This is a therapy using ionizing radiation, generally as part of a cancer treatment to control or kill infected cells. Radiation therapy may be curative in a number of types of cancer if they are located in one area of the body. It may also be used as part of a adjuvant therapy to prevent tumour reoccurrence after surgery. Radiation therapy is commonly applied to cancerous tumour because of its ability to control cell growth. Ionizing radiation works by damaging the DNA of cancerous tissue, leading to cellular death.
Furthermore, no technology comes with no wax. We actively burn fossil fuels every day, releasing vast quantities of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. This is believed to account for global warming, which could have severe environmental consequences. Furthermore, sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides can cause acid rain, whilst nuclear waste is a problem in the fact that it stays radioactive for thousands of years. The energy produced is still classified as relatively clean, especially considering it does not release these gases. It is estimated that switching from fossil fuels to clean energy would save 1.8 million lives as a result of cleaner air. Nuclear power is also efficient. 1 kilogram of uranium produces as much as 2,550 tons of coal. This signifies that nuclear power plants also occupy less land. To conclude, inspired for a reasonable fear for a nuclear war, the threat of nuclear weapons maintains world peace is more concentrated. Nuclear know-how is not warlike. Meanwhile, nuclear power also provides cheap and clean energy. Rather, it is a byproduct of warlike society. The nuclear science and technology have provided the means for good or for bad.